The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Android flagships in recent memory, a device that aims to take performance, display quality, cameras, and overall experience to the next level. Here's what we expect this powerhouse to deliver. Rocket ship performance. Powered by the next-gen Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, one of the fastest mobile chips yet, paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and Android 16 out of the box. Early benchmark leaks show crazy scores, e.g. 2636 single-core and 7475 multi-core, proving it won't hold back, whether you're gaming or running heavy apps. Stunning display. A 1.5K OLED panel with blazing high refresh rate, likely 120 to 165 Hz, and peak brightness that makes visuals pop even in direct sunlight. Perfect for gaming, videos, and day-to-day tasks. Next-level cameras. Triple camera system featuring advanced sensors, including possibilities like a high-resolution main camera, telephoto/periscope zoom, and AI camera optimizations that rival top-tier flagships. Rumors point to periscope zoom and focused AI imaging features that make every shot crisp and professional. Some insane fast charging and battery. Expect ultra-fast wired charging, like 125-watt turbo power, with support for wireless charging too, meaning you can go from 0 to full in minutes rather than hours. Premium build and design. A sleek, flagship-grade build with polished materials, slim bezels, and attention to detail that feels premium in the hand. A phone that looks as impressive as it performs. Rumors even suggest stylus support as an accessory in some markets. Software and longevity. Running the latest Android with Motorola's clean UI and likely years of updates, a huge plus if you plan to keep your phone for the long haul. In short, the Edge 70 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's Motorola's statement to the flagship world. We're bringing top performance, amazing visuals, pro-level cameras, fast charging, and premium design, all in one insane package. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or running heavy apps, this thing is rumored to keep up with devices like Samsung's and Apple's newest flagships, and for many, it could be one of the best Android phones of its generation.